Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. Check it out, 1967 Lincoln Continental. This does not have the hideaway headlights. There's the beautiful badging. So in 1967, this car would have been anywhere from $5,500 to $6,500. 15-inch wide white walls. Check out that detail on that antenna, the way it is hidden in there. So power antenna, power roof, power windows, power brakes, power steering, suicide doors, lockable gas tank. I don't know if that was factory or not. Love the chrome trim down the side, and just look at that elegant back end. So this has a 462 7.6 liter engine, and look at those taillights. Just elegant is the right word for it. And total production, they made 45,000 of these in 67. Of that, the 2,200 were convertibles, and then the balance were in the hardtop and two doors. But just a great looking car. This is for sale. I don't know if I mentioned it's at the Ford of Peoria in Peoria, Illinois.